Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a good day today. Today, we're talking about the Trump-Iran conflict, and more importantly, how you can protect your family if conflict reaches American soil. On June 21st, 2025, President Trump launched a major offensive, Operation Midnight Hammer, targeting nuclear facilities at Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. The Pentagon called it a success. Trump called it a warning shot. But Iran has vowed revenge, and their allies are watching. You may be wondering, how does this affect me? I'm just a regular American trying to live my life. But if there's one thing we've learned from the past, it's that the ripple effect of war doesn't stop at the border. From gas prices to cyber outages to terrorist threats, preparedness isn't panic, it's wisdom. And here's how you can start. The following are 6 simple ways to increase your chances of survival should an attack occur on American soil. Number 1, 72-hour to 2-week emergency kit or go bag that includes water, non-perishable food, canned items, protein bars, dried fruits, rice, peanut butter, MREs, manual can opener, portable stove with fuel, N95 or KN95 masks for smoke, dust, or viral exposure, and multivitamins to supplement low-nutrient diets. If you had to leave your home quickly or couldn't leave at all, would your family survive 72 hours to 2 weeks without assistance? That's the question your kit needs to answer. Number 2, health and first aid. Be sure to have a first aid kit that includes bandages, gauze, antiseptics, and tweezers, over-the-counter meds, Tylenol, Imodium, and Benadryl, prescriptions, a 30-day backup supply if possible, electrolyte tablets or powder for dehydration, an emergency dental kit, and sanitary products for women and baby supplies, if needed. In a crisis, hospitals may be overwhelmed or unreachable. Treating minor injuries at home can prevent major ones. Number 3, power and communication. Off-grid essentials would consist of solar-powered charger or power banks, a battery-powered radio or NOAA weather radio, crank flashlights or lanterns. Be sure to have extra batteries for your devices and glow sticks. They are great for light without draining power. If power goes out due to cyber attack or grid failure, your phone might not help. These old-school tools could save your life. Number 4, documents and cash. Things to copy and store in a waterproof zip folder or flash drive. Your ID cards, birth certificates, and social security cards, insurance info, home health and auto, medical records and prescriptions, bank account info and emergency contacts, and printed local maps, just in case the GPS fails. Have at least $200 to $500 in small bills. During emergencies, ATMs may go down or stop accepting cards. Number 5, home defense and situational awareness. Here are a few security tips. Reinforce your doors and windows for added protection. Install motion lights and security cameras with backup power. Know multiple exit routes from your neighborhood. Learn basic self-defense or non-lethal protection. Have pepper spray and tasers ready. And keep a paper list of emergency shelters near you just in case you need them. Preparedness isn't about fear. It's about being calm when others panic. Finally, number 6, mental readiness and family training. Prepare yourself emotionally and socially. Practice monthly drills. Become familiar with your fire escape, sheltering in place, cooking without power, using bottled or filtered water only, and practice using your designated toilet receptacle. Create a buddy system with neighbors or friends if you find them trustworthy. Role play scenarios with children without scaring them to prepare them. And finally, stay grounded. Breathe, pray, journal, or meditate to remain level headed and stay in control. Mental readiness can save lives. The more confident you feel in a crisis, the better your decisions will be. Remember, preparation isn't being fearful, it's being proactive. Preparedness isn't just for preppers, it's for parents, students, seniors, everyone. If the last few years have taught us anything, it's that being ready means that we're giving ourselves the opportunity to survive what this world throws at us. So let's get ready together. If you found this video helpful, like, share it, and subscribe. And as usual, thank you for visiting Hello Today. Be sure to be subscribed so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.